Cross that out, listen.
It's a spaceship.
What? Where is it?
Up in the air. Up in the air.
Spaceship.
I can't.
I don't see a spaceship.
I can't see it.
It's right there. Look,
Well, I'm
right
gonna
there.
make some lunch. Anybody else want something to eat? Yeah, there what are you doing? You're gonna be alone now there for a while?
Where is it?
Is he humping his ball?
Just laying
Where
out.
is it? Where is it?
Where's
I think it's gone now, honey.
Why? Oh, we should this one be here.
Chris said I'm gonna get some food. You want some food, Braun?
No.
Abby, you want anything to eat? Yeah.
You want to bring those peppers and apples inside?
No, I already do it.
You wanna go get them, Braun? Put them over in the cooler?
Yeah. Don't. Put them in the cooler.
On the cooler, not in the cooler. On top.
What?
No, just set them on
Look
top.
who's here.
Grandma got my ball.
Whoa, what'd Grandma get for you?
Was it my ball?
No, I know. I want to hit you. I want to hit you.